Hello and welcome to Drinking Dirty in Jersey, our beer ventures. Tonight we're going to be rating a beer called Koko Brown from Kona Brewing Company. We rate our beer in 5 different categories, and those categories are alcohol content, look, taste, whiskey pairing, and push-up ability. All these categories are rated in a 1 through 5 category, 5 being the best, 1 being the worst. Now our first category is alcohol content. This has 5.5% alcohol content. That's pretty good. That's pretty above average, so I'm going to give this a 3 score on that. The next category is look. So we're going to give this a nice little pour here. Nice dark beer here. Nice dark beer. Reminds me a little bit of Sam Adams, maybe a tiny bit of Guinness. But, you know, that's a good-looking beer. I mean, it looks pretty tasty. If I didn't know what it was, I'd probably want to drink it. So I'm going to give this a 4 on look. Okay, the next category, and it's my favorite, is taste. Now we're going to give this a good taste. Cheers. It's good, very dark tasting. If you're not a fan of dark beer, you will not like this. I'm an okay fan of dark beer, but it's very, very tasty, so I'm actually going to give this a 4 as well up there. Okay, the 4th category is whiskey pairing. Now what we do is we take a sip of whiskey, and we see how the whiskey tastes with the beer. So let's give this a good sip of whiskey here. Alright, now let's sip the beer. Wow. That's probably one of the best beers to taste with whiskey. I highly recommend this with whiskey. I'm going to give this a 5. Last category is push-up ability. And that's, when I drink, I like to do push-ups. So I like to test the beer out by doing push-ups after I take a big sip. So I'm going to take a big sip. And now I'm going to do some push-ups. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pretty high on push-up ability. I kind of like the way it makes me do push-ups, so I'm going to give this a pretty high score as well. That's a 4. So now we have a total score. 20. And that's actually the highest rating so far we've had on Beer Ventures, is a 20. So we highly recommend this beer, Koko Brown. Please try it. You can find this beer at Hot Rod's Barbecue in Wharton, New Jersey. So go there and have one. I recommend it. All right, folks, drink on.